Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we doing a $5 savings challenge update, and also this is a wine and grind session, so that means we are sipping and counting this money. So if you guys want to see how much I got in my $5 saving jar, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is all the fives that I have saved, and we're gonna count this money and we're gonna see how much we got. I'm gonna put this money to the side. Alright guys, comment down below how much y'all think I got in here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. So I'm gonna stack it on top of that. Alright, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, $400. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500. So that's 500, but let me take a sip real quick. Alright, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So that's 580. 85, 90, 95, 600. So we got 600 right here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 700. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 800. So we got 800. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 900. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that's 945. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1,000. 1,000 guys. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So you guys, we saved up $1,190. So guys, this money is going to the bank, and I'm gonna start my $5 saving challenge all over starting today. And what you guys waiting for? Y'all should jump on this $5 saving challenge also and see how much fives y'all could save up in 1 year. All right guys, that's it of my video. and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.